पूरा टाइम घर में फिल्में चलती रहती थी, so that's where I think I got into it.
What was the first time you thought that you are for this modeling and you are for this movie industry? How you thought?
I was born and raised in Canada, but I am very connected to my Desi roots. I actually come from a mixed background, so I come from, my dad is from India and my mom is from Pakistan.
So what are the reviews of Ek Tere Karke, and you were the second main role in that movie?
This is a very family-oriented film, जिसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी. It's a love story, it's a love triangle. There is the struggle of, you know, coming from India to Canada. So I'm open to everything. वैसे तो मुझे पंजाबी सिनेमा हम बहुत देखते हैं actually घर पे. So it was a dream come true for me to.
We have young emerging artist with us, Fatima Alvi, who worked in a couple of the feature films, and she is born here in Canada, and we'll talk about her forthcoming projects and her history into the modeling line and then to the movie industry. Fatima, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Nitin. Thank you for having me.
Fatima, to start with, we know you worked in I'm No Queen,
yes,
which is going to Oscar also next year. So it is one of the nominees in the Oscar. And Meenu Basi, when they made that movie, and you were one of the main role. So before that, if we ask you about your journey in this field, into the modeling, into the movie industry field, how you entered, and tell us about yourself.
जी, तो मुझे एक्टिंग का बचपन से बहुत शौक था. Both my parents are very filmy people. They love watching films. My dad is very much into old Bollywood films. तो उन्होंने मुझे राज कपूर सर की and दिलीप कुमार की फिल्में दिखानी. And then my mom is more into the new generation films. But basically पूरा टाइम घर में फिल्में चलती रहती थी. So that's where I think I got into it. And then I was doing modeling for a couple years, and I really wanted to get into acting. I didn't know where to start. I found these audition opportunities online for I Am No Queen as well. So मैंने जाके audition दिया. I really went for the side character role. I went for, you know, a minor role क्योंकि मुझे कोई previous experience नहीं था.
That was your first movie?
That was my first movie, yes. So I went for the side, and I did not know कि क्या होने वाला and everything, but I went to audition, and after a few auditions, they actually called me back for the lead role. So I was so grateful and so like over the moon कि I get to do this female-oriented film, जहाँ पूरा kind of international students का struggle दिखाया गया है, especially what females face in this country and the hardships they go through.
वो मूवी का रोल आने से पहले क्या आपको उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पता था कि मूवी से ही पता चला कि before you took that role, or who helped you in choosing that role? Did your parents supported you that okay, this is the subject and you should go for it?
So actually, I did kind of know कि हमारी society में ये हो रहा है.
Okay, you were aware.
I was aware of it, you know, because you hear that from friends and colleagues, and you see that around in society. लेकिन मुझे बहुत in depth नहीं पता था. लेकिन I think the story was beautifully written, and when I heard the narration from the director, which is Shadab Khan, मैं रो पड़ी थी. It just touches the heart, and I think anyone who has seen the film knows कि it just goes straight to the heart, and it's so important to tell these stories. So I was very grateful and very blessed to have done that project. And that project has had quite a successful run in festival circuits as well. So I'm very proud of the entire team.
Abhi, this is going for the Oscar also. They are trying to get it an Oscar?
Yes, they are. And I am really proud of our team. And I really hope that the story gets the recognition that it deserves. I'm so happy to be the face of that, you know, of that character of that film. Yeah.
Fatima, tell us about yourself, your family, and who Fatima Alvi is.
So basically, who Fatima Alvi is, I was born and raised in Canada, but I am very connected to my Desi roots. I actually come from a mixed background. So I come from, my dad is from India and my mom is from Pakistan.
India में कहाँ से, Pakistan में कहाँ से?
So India में लखनऊ से, and my mom is from Karachi.
Okay.
So I'm very blessed कि मैं in both countries से belong करती हूँ, and I get the best of the culture of both worlds.
Wow.
Yes.
You are lucky.
Yes, I'm really lucky. मुझे कभी-कभार इंडिया से सूट्स आ रहे होते हैं, कभी-कभार मुझे पाकिस्तान से ज्वेलरी आ रही होती है, तो मेरा स्टॉक हमेशा फुल होता है. So I'm very grateful.
Very good. So Lucknow and Karachi. एंड आप यहाँ पे बॉर्न हुए हैं, सो आपको कभी मौका मिला आप इंडिया में विजिट किया हो या कराची में विजिट किया हो पाकिस्तान में?
So actually, my family goes a lot, back and forth. My parents have been, and हमारी काफ़ी ऐसी family में, there are relationships where we have weddings on both sides. So these guys are constantly across the border. I have not had the opportunity to visit both of the countries yet, but I'm really hoping to do so in the near future. कुछ COVID की वजह से भी plans delay हो गए थे, but I hope to do so very soon.
Okay, so Fatima, what was the first time you thought that you are for this modeling and you are for this movie industry? How you thought, or parents का था, because you said they were also from the same background के इसी line में थे music industry में?
Nothing like that. Actually, they were just, वो बहुत शौकीन है films देखने
के शौकीन है,
but उन्हें बिल्कुल भी expectation नहीं थी कि मैं film industry enter करूँगी और करना चाहूँगी. So when I told them, they were like very surprised कि बेटा तुम्हें कहाँ से शौक हो गया एक्टिंग का? तो मैंने कहा जो आप मुझे like फिल्में दिखाते थे उस सब का क्या? They were very surprised कि इसे कहाँ से शौक हो गया? I was like, of course it came from the parents, but my parents have been very supportive. And I was really happy that in my latest movie, which I know we're going to talk about shortly, but my Punjabi movie debut, Ek Tere Karke, they were both there with me at the premiere, and they really liked the film, and I have their blessing, so I'm really happy.
So what are the reviews of Ek Tere Karke, and you were the second main role in that movie?
Yes, I'm the second female lead, and the film also stars Prabh Gill and Kamal Kangura, which both are brilliant faces of Punjabi culture and Punjabi cinema. The movie reviews are coming really good. मैं audience को ज़रूर encourage करूँगी कि वो देखने जाएं ये film. This is a very family-oriented film, जिसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी. It's a love story. It's a love triangle. There is the struggle of coming from India to Canada. So there's a lot in the film. The songs are fantastic. So मैं यही कहूँगी कि आप सब please देखने जाएं और हमें बताएं कि आपको film कैसी लगी. Yes.
So your role in that movie एक तेरे करके हरलीन.
Yes.
So उस role के बारे में बताएं कि वो आपने कैसे choose किया and उसका क्या meaning क्या है उस role का?
जी, तो when I heard the narration, I was very, I connected with the character very well. I think both the films I have done, actually, the females have quite a good character arc, है ना? They go through a journey, they have some understanding and some about themselves, right? So they grow into their own confidence and they face a lot of things. So that has been, very satisfying for me, because even Herleen, I cannot reveal too much, but she goes through a journey in the movie with her relationships, and she goes from, being in depression to kind of finding herself and finding her footing. So I think it was a lovely role to play.
So how that role is different from the real life?
How different is that role? I feel like मैं और Herleen बहुत similar in the sense that we are kind of both shy and introverted people or characters, you can say. तो मैं भी थोड़ी, people assume कि just because you are in the industry आप extroverted होगे, but actually I'm quite an introvert. मैं even before the interview मैं सांसें लेती हूँ and everything कि okay, calm myself down for going for social interactions. लेकिन yeah, so I would say कि हम थोड़े similar हैं actually. Yes.
Harleen, you said your dad is from India, mom is from Pakistan, Lucknow and Karachi. So घर में कभी इंडिया पाकिस्तान की लड़ाई होती है?
लड़ाइयाँ तो किस घर में नहीं होती है?
Means India Pakistan वाली.
India Pakistan, oh Allah. And you know what? My mom's side of the family is actually very much into cricket.
Okay.
So
that was my point, because लड़ाई क्रिकेट पे भी होती है.
पे भी होती है. Yes.
So किसको सपोर्ट करती है फैमिली?
मेरी मॉम तो पूरा पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करती हैं, राइट? बट माय डैड देन एक्चुअली ये अच्छी बात है कि डैड इज नॉट टू मच इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, है ना? तो इतनी वो बात उधर तक जाती नहीं कि चलो ठीक है तुम्हें जो वो सपोर्ट करना है. बट इट्स वेरी नाइस टू सी दैट मिक्स ऑफ कल्चर्स एट होम.
सो मॉम की फैमिली पाकिस्तान को जब क्रिकेट होता है सपोर्ट करती है, तो इंडिया को कौन सपोर्ट करता है आपकी फैमिली में?
मेरे डैड इंडिया को सपोर्ट करते करते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक इन अदर थिंग्स हमेशा ये आई थिंक दे आर मोर इंटेलेक्चुअल साइड, सो उन्हें होता है कि पढ़ाई में देखो इंडिया कैसे एक्सेल कर रहा है एंड दिस एंड दैट, एंड देन माय मॉम हैज हर बैकअप कि नहीं पाकिस्तान भी ये कर रहा है. बट आई थिंक बोथ कंट्रीज आर ब्यूटीफुल इन देयर ओन वेज. दे बोथ हैव वेरी मेनी स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड आई एम जस्ट रियली प्राउड ऑफ आवर साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी. जो कनाडा में जिस तरीके से हम सब एक ही हैं, and we face all those struggles together, but I think we have come a long way as a community, and I hope that हम उसी तरीके से तरक्की करते रहें इस देश में भी, कनाडा में भी.
We hope one day we can interview your parents along with you, because it's quite a interesting thing कि जब across the borders and we all are one and we were one. So वो वाला कल्चर, अगर मैं कल्चर की बात करूं तो how you cope up because you were born here. So कुछ इंडिया का कल्चर, कुछ पाकिस्तान का कल्चर, घर में स्पोर्ट्स की बात हो गई, कल्चर को कैसे कोप करते हैं?
कल्चर को आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट हम there is more of everything, है ना. तो even with festivals, I think Toronto is such a multicultural city, और मेरे इतने सारे दोस्त हैं. So मैं दिवाली भी मनाती हूँ, मैं गुरपुरब पे गुरुद्वारा भी जाती हूँ, मैं there is masjid also, everything is there. So I feel like in this Toronto actually is such a big support to all cultures कि आपको हमेशा किसी से कुछ नया सीखने को मिल रहा है, कुछ नया करने को मिल रहा है. So that is even the same thing at home कि कभी कहीं के खाने बन रहे हैं, कभी किसी और के खाने बन रहे हैं. So you get the best of everything, and I feel that's true for Toronto overall. So it's really nice for me to be to be here. I think it's a great city to live in.
फातिमा, अपनी जो कैरियर है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ कि एजुकेशन कहाँ तक हुई एंड कब आपने सोचा कि मैं इस लाइन में एंटर करूं, क्योंकि फैमिली की सपोर्ट के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. योर पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेड यू. सो आपकी एजुकेशन के बारे में बताओ.
जी ज़रूर. So I actually completed my full bachelor's and everything. मैं business background से हूँ, and I have a career separate from all of this, and I think that is why my parents were comfortable with me joining this industry, because मैं एक तरीके से अपना career set कर चुकी थी, and I did all the education and all of that, so they were happy कि चलो ये settled है, because I think there is so much uncertainty in this industry कि कोई भी parent comfortable नहीं feel करता कि आप किसी backing के बगैर इस चीज़ में enter हों. लेकिन thankfully मैं वो सब उनके check marks होते हैं ना, मैं cover कर चुकी थी. So they were very supportive कि okay बेटा, अगर ये तुम्हारा सपना है, so then you should go and pursue it. So
आपने acting की classes, coaching, कोई उस्ताद, ये आपने go through किया?
तो मैं वर्कशॉप्स लेती रहती हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप्स जो हमारी लोकल कम्युनिटी में होती हैं मैं अटेंड करती रहती हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आई ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस द क्राफ्ट एज मच एज पॉसिबल, इवन इंडिपेंडेंटली, कि आप जो सेल्फ टेपिंग करते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग, टू ट्राई टू कंटिन्यू टू इम्प्रूव दैट. आई एम न्यू टू पंजाबी कल्चर, तो मैं लेसन्स भी ले रही हूँ, मैं डांस भी सीख रही हूँ, जस्ट टू होन माई स्किल्स फॉर दिस, फॉर एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी.
सो व्हिच ऑल लैंग्वेजेस यू कैन स्पीक?
Hindi, Urdu, English and Punjabi, I would say is still a work in progress. That's about it. सबसे ज़्यादा तो French सीखने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन हो नहीं पाया. Yes.
So your first project, I Am No Queen, was in English?
It was an English feature film.
So second project जो एक तेरे करके, that's a Punjabi?
Yes, that's a Punjabi film. Yes.
So उर्दू में अभी next हो सकता है कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट कोई आए?
I really hope so. I'm open to everything. वैसे तो मुझे पंजाबी सिनेमा हम बहुत देखते हैं एक्चुअली घर पे. So it was a dream come true for me to be part of a cinema that I myself watch. लेकिन very like सब चलता है घर पे. पाकिस्तानी dramas, Bollywood movies, Punjabi cinema, everything is there. So yes.
Fatima, from your first movie, I'm No Queen, you got the recognition.
Yes.
Then you got the second project, because वो second project तभी मिलता है when you did good in the first. So अब future के अंदर आपके क्या plans हैं? And if you got any offer, because this may be seen by the Bollywood or by the Pakistani industry or by the Canadian producers, or they, अगर कोई आपको approach करता है तो you are open for the future projects?
I am very open. Please मुझे approach करें. My IMDb is up to date. I'm willing to put in the work. I'm willing to audition. Like I said, I'm constantly working on my skills. I'm open to all good opportunities, and I hope to bring more meaningful stories to life. Yes.
आप singing भी कर लेते हैं?
जी मैं सिंगिंग भी करती हूँ. आपको कैसे पता था?
मुझे क्योंकि see pretty face, good in acting, because I've seen the I'm No Queen. सो देख के लगता है कि सिंगिंग में भी आपकी होगी, हमें कुछ आप सुनाएंगे? राइट भी करते हैं हम? नहीं, सिंग करते हैं।
No, so I only do singing. I sing in Hindi and Punjabi.
Okay.
Actually, I'm very surprised कि आपको ये बात कहाँ से पता चली, because I'm quite shy when it
Okay.
comes to that.
Okay.
मैं आपको डायलॉग सुना सकती हूँ
आप
मूवी का।
डायलॉग भी सुना दो, बिल्कुल। Yes.
ठीक है, तो कौन सा डायलॉग सुना? ओके, सो जिंदगी किनू कदों केड़े मोड़ ते मिलावे पता ही नहीं लगता. That's a short one, but
Okay.
I think it's part of the story of एक तेरे करके. Yes.
ओके, सो कुछ गुनगुना भी दो।
गुनगुना भी दूँ? मुझे तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी, मैं क्या गुनगुनाऊँ?
एनीथिंग ऑफ योर।
सारी रात तेरा तकनियरा तारे आ तो पूछ जानवे. मुझे अगली लाइन नहीं याद.
ओके, थैंक यू।
जी, thank you.
फातिमा, आपका अभी ये मुझे बताओ कि फर्दर फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं आपके?
Just to, work in acting and pursue opportunities that are, good and meaningful. And that is, I think, my main focus right now. I would really like to do more work in Punjabi cinema, but I'm also at the same time pursuing English-related opportunities. I think Canada has a very good growing production scene, so I'm very excited to see what comes next.
What comes to my mind ke you are achieving, you are young, you are hardworking, you got the projects, and what things comes to mind के आप एक चीज़ मिस कर रहे हो जो आपने नहीं की, you said, जो आपके पास एक इतनी अच्छी opportunity है to visit Pakistan, to visit India, and as you said that food culture is here, no doubt.
Yes.
We have every kind of food culture is here. But what is there in the back homes, because you were born here? Once you visit those places and stay there for a month and see, there is so much to explore.
Yes.
And I think that thing you are missing, and when you go there, you will find so much of subjects of your line that I can work on this story, I can work in this story, because when you choose I'm No Queen, that is a Canadian subject. Yeah. Whatever international students, when they came here, they were into drugs, they were living in encampments, in the creeks, and that subject, we also did one report on that, and that got viral. But आपको उन country, अपनी home countries दोनों में जाना चाहिए, आपको देखना चाहिए what kind of story, it's full of stories, and you can capture any of them. तो आप हर साल एक trip लगाओगे just to find the story.
I really hope so. That's great advice, and मैं भी यही चाहती हूँ. I think you're very spot on कि that is missing from my life.
So आपने इतना time क्यों लगा दिया visit करने?
पहले होता है कि अच्छा schooling कर लो, फिर होता है कि university graduate कर लो, फिर होता है कि आप job कर लो, फिर होता है कि आप कुछ और कर लो. So all these milestones were actually going on that, and my parents are very strict when it comes to education, when it comes to all these things. So they were like, नहीं बेटा, अभी focus करो, अभी focus करो. तो now I feel like अब मैं थोड़ा सा जिद करने लगी हूँ अम्मी अब्बू से. So now I hope to go and make those trips. Yeah.
ठीक है. So अभी आपके पास कोई और forthcoming projects हैं?
There are a couple things that are in talks, लेकिन inshallah I will reveal when the project is done. Yes.
In acting, who is your mentor?
In acting, who is my mentor? Actually, I have, so I Am No Queen का premiere हुआ था at IFSA last year, and IFSA is the biggest South Asian film festival in Canada. And I was very grateful that I had my premiere for my movie last year over there, and I got to meet the festival organizers, Sunny Gill, Avi Garibal, as well as Anup Singh ji. And this year I returned to them and I said, I really love your festival, and they were so kind to me that they let me be a part of this festival and contribute to that. So over there, from Anup Singh sir, from these guys do films full time, मुझे काफ़ी guidance मिली, मुझे काफ़ी सीखने को मिला, and I think they are providing a great platform to the South Asian community for filmmakers, for actors. They had so many workshops this year. So for those who don't know about them, I would highly encourage them to check out IFSA. Okay,
so Bollywood में से कोई आपका favorite actor or actress?
Bollywood में तो Priyanka Chopra.
Okay.
Yes, I think that she is. It's not only her career, वो एक बहुत अच्छी actress हैं, लेकिन I think the way that she has proven herself across industries, कि India में भी वो top actress हैं, then in Hollywood she is
Yes.
doing better and better projects.
And she is into acting and singing and modeling and everything.
Everything.
Yes.
So I think मुझे उनको देखकर बहुत confidence मिलता है कि this is what your ambition should look like and this is what it means to be to have faith in yourself. And I
Yes.
think that is the most important thing for any person, but especially I think any actor.
And from Pakistan movie industry?
From Pakistan movie industry, I'm a huge fan of Mahira Khan.
Okay.
I think she is so graceful. She's so elegant in the way that she carries herself. She's also like done fantastic work. But as a human being, I think when I look at her and the way that she cares about society and not just you know, the acting or film industry, I think she's the most lovely over there. Yeah.
So no male actor?
No, male actors sabhi अच्छे हैं. Like I think Ranveer Singh is a fantastic actor. I think on the Pakistan side, there's so much new talent as well. There's Hamza Sohail and so many more that are very good. Yes.
Fatima, it's a pleasure talking to you, and we wish you all the best for your future, for your forthcoming projects. And the role you did in the I'm No Queen and the recent project of Ik Tere Karke were amazing. That's the reason you are getting another chance and chance and chance. And we wish you all the best for the future. Before we go, what is your message to the struggling artists or those who are watching you? Because you also started your journey from your schooling, to education, and then to the modeling, and then to the acting line. What is your message to them?
I would say that if you care about a dream, don't give up on it, क्योंकि आपको कभी नहीं पता होता कि आपको कब मौका मिले. तो अगर आपका कोई सपना है, I think I would say this to any person of any age, कि अगर आपका एक ख्वाब है तो आप उस ज़रूर ख्वाब को pursue करें, give up ना करें, क्योंकि एक ही ज़िंदगी है तो आप नहीं चाहते. I don't think anyone would want कि आपको end में regret हो. So you know, just put yourself out there. That's my only message, and I'm trying to do the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Nitin. Thank you for having me. Thank you.